Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Continental Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports exterior interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Sports suspension. A macchiato beige black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear roof spoiler, rear trunk spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a natural grain black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, wheel and touchpad for our infotainment center. This E300 has 18,774 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.